The nightmare is your internal therapist. A nightmare is a sign of a healing mind. If you are having nightmares, you are not unspiritual, you are not pathologized, there's nothing wrong with you. It's a sign that your mind is doing what it is supposed to do, heal itself. So what is lucid dreaming? Who's got a nice definition for me of what a lucid dream is? Yes. Nice, yeah, having control over your dreams or influence, being able to change the dream while you're in it. So a lucid dream by definition is any dream where in the dream you go, oh, wow, I'm dreaming. So if you need to ask me, was that a lucid dream or was it not? It probably wasn't. For those who maybe haven't had a lucid dream or don't think they've had a lucid dream, has anybody here ever had a nightmare where in the nightmare you've gone, I've got to wake up, I've got to wake up? Anyone ever had that? Okay, that was a lucid dream. The moment you acknowledged there was a place to wake up to, you had indirectly acknowledged, hey, I must be dreaming. So here's the first takeaway. If you are ever lucky enough to find yourself lucid in a nightmare again, don't wake up. Stay in the nightmare for as long as you can. Why do our nightmares recur? Why don't our happy dreams recur? Why don't that dream where I'm having a dinner date with that movie star Tom Hardy, why did I only have that once? I've got a crazy man crush on Tom Hardy. I always have these dreams that he's like my best mate. But why did I only have that dream once or twice? Because in the moment that dream was already integrated. It was a happy dream. I liked it. There was no need to have it again. But a nightmare, if you cut a nightmare short by waking up from it, or the nightmare waking you up from it, you necessarily have to have that nightmare again. Why? Because it is a therapy session cut short. The nightmare is your internal therapist. A nightmare is a sign of a healing mind. If you are having nightmares, you are not unspiritual, you are not pathologized, there's nothing wrong with you. It's a sign that your mind is doing what it is supposed to do, heal itself. But we have pathologized nightmares. Think of how we use the term nightmare. Oh, it's a fucking nightmare, this journey. You know, we use it in that way. We think that nightmares are wrong when in fact nightmares are like dragons guarding a pot of gold. And we don't want to slay the dragon. We want to befriend it. If you slay the dragon, yes, you get the pot of gold and you stop having nightmares. But if you befriend the dragon, you still get the pot of gold and you've got a freaking dragon to ride about and to harness all that energy, all that power. You know in like Hollywood movies when they show dream sequences and they put on the dry ice, the smoke, and they got a soft focus and they're like, wow, man, he's dreaming. That is not how lucid dreaming looks or feels. If you wanted to show how a lucid dream looks, you'd go from normal definition camera work to boom, full 4K HD. Because once you're lucid, it is realer than real.